zkSync is a Layer 2 blockchain scaling solution for Ethereum, utilizing a technology known as zero-knowledge rollups or zk-rollups. These zk-rollups work by rolling up multiple transactions off the Ethereum mainnet and submitting the transaction proofs to Ethereum. This process effectively batches hundreds of transactions into one, allowing for greater efficiency and lower costs. One of the key features of zkSync is its use of zero-knowledge proofs, a type of cryptographic security. This approach ensures that transactions are validated without having to reveal the details of the transaction itself, thus maintaining a balance between transparency and privacy. zkSync stands out for its low gas fees, which can be up to 100 times lower than those on the Ethereum mainnet, while still inheriting the security of the Ethereum blockchain. It's designed to scale like the internet, processing an unlimited number of transactions without significantly impacting security or cost. In terms of development, zkSync supports standard Web 3 API and is compatible with Ethereum wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Developers can write smart contracts in Solidity or Viper, and most contracts work with minimal changes when migrating projects to zkSync. This compatibility makes it easier for developers to integrate with the platform. Moreover, zkSync is planning significant upgrades like zk Porter, which will enhance its scalability and reduce transaction fees further. zkSync Era, a part of the zkSync ecosystem, focuses on providing a user-friendly experience with instant transaction confirmations, low fees, and support for existing Ethereum-based wallets.
Okay, how good is the zkSync ecosystem now?
The zkSync ecosystem is vibrant and growing, encompassing various projects and applications that leverage its Layer 2 scaling solutions for Ethereum. Key elements of the zkSync ecosystem include DeFi applications, decentralized exchanges, NFT marketplaces and tools, wallets and infrastructure, developer tools, community and partnerships. The ecosystem is designed to cater to a wide range of users, from individual traders and DeFi enthusiasts to developers and large-scale projects, all benefiting from the reduced gas fees and increased transaction speeds offered by zkSync.